I'm done.
It's like freaking just instant as soon as you hit the trigger. Y'all recording?
Yeah.
I still like the Huskies better.
Just had to make sure we caught that.
Here at Twin City Firewood, I got some help today. These guys come plumb from Indiana. They felt sorry for me. Come down here to help me, show me how to do this firewood thing. Y'all stay with us. So if you're familiar at all with the firewood world on YouTube, you're going to recognize Mike with K&L and Genin with 765 guys. And I was truly honored that they would take time away from their families and their busy lives just to come down here and hang out with me. And we didn't get as many firewood chores done as I think Mike would like, but it was just so easy to aggravate each other and hang out with each other. As I'm doing this voiceover, I just got a text from Mike right now. It's a funny thing. But you can get a feel for how people really are on how they treat your kids or treat your family. And I'll just say this. Both of these fellas interacted with my family very well. My kids have been asking, when are they coming back? And they really hit it off with my daddy, too. He's already started making plans for when they come back the next time.
I know.
It's like freaking just instant as soon as you hit the trigger. Y'all recording?
Yeah.
I still like the Huskies better. Dude, that's a ripper right there. What is that, a 462?
Yeah, it'd be like your 572.
I like that. Whoever sharpened it done a good job, too. Was that you?
No.
You? You did okay job.
Come on. You ready for 500 now or more 462?
crawling.
Did you go to the auction?
Yeah.
To buy this?
No, I went
Okay.
to buy. They had Alice Chandler there, and I went to buy it. And some more stuff. Guy died, of course. And worked for him, laying flooring, and so he wanted to know if I wanted it, and I said, yeah, I'll take it. And then Jacob went and got it, and unloaded off the trailer, and I told him when I got it off, I said, well, just hook up, you know what I mean? I'll hook up to you and we'll. Now I got junk all around it.
Mr. Dale, your ears are burning. We're talking about you. These little bee tractors here.
This one here, I've only had it, I've had it maybe a year. A friend of mine, yeah, probably. If she touches that wire, I got it. Well, about half of what it would have been used.
Yeah.
And I always wanted a little tractor like that. I wouldn't ever want to do one, but I want to run up on that one. Again, a young couple going through a divorce. He started working on it and quit. It was just in the garage, and she wanted to get rid of it, so I heard about it. Went and got it going. It don't seem like a real smart idea. This is sort of a long story. His wife had died, and she was a beautiful girl. I mean, real beautiful. And he found out that he owed a lot of money, and she was having an affair with her boss. And that tore him up. We used to come on and was laying carpet, and of course, he'd come out around here sometime or whatever. He knew I fool with Alice Chandler tractor, so but he quit me. He didn't work about this one summer. Big old strong boy. I'm talking about huge. He could pick a refrigerator up or small one. He was really stout. And anyway, he quit me, and he called me one day about 6 months later, and he said, would you be interested in some tractors, Alice Chandler tractors? And I said, well, maybe. He said, well, I know where there's, he said, I've got two 170s. I didn't have a 170.
All right, y'all. We piddled around, split a little bit of wood. I gave them some wood that had a lot of bad stuff in it. That was not very productive, but they got a little taste of the super splitter. We did get some wood split up, got some cookies, whether you like that or not. And these guys, hopefully, it was worth their time to Tennessee. They even got to visit with my daddy. They took the tractor tour. You'll see some clips of that, and I hope that was worth y'all's time and theirs too. Thank y'all for coming, man.
Yeah, man, super fun. Thanks for having us.
Glad to do it.
Yeah, man.
It was
Thank
awesome.
y'all.
Yeah, glad we made the trip.
Heck yeah. If y'all are watching me, I know y'all know who this is. This is Genin. My daddy called him Jim. And this
Jimmy.
is Mike. Yeah, Jimmy. And anyways, thank y'all for coming. Y'all come back.